Hey, what's going on, everyone? So last night I ripped open 9 boxes of 1991 Topps. Here's all the commons, quite a few of them. I'm going to load all these into 5,000 count boxes. Here's the inserts that come in that you could instantly win. So there's no winner in there. Those will all be thrown in the recyclables. So there's a recap to just show you what I pulled. And let's see here. All right, so we'll start off with cup cards. Got Dave Justice, Clown the Shields, Felix Jose, so Sandy Alomar. So these are all pretty much put in order. There's Ventura, Rinsky, and when I organize all these so that way if anybody needs a card, it's easy to locate. So here's all the future stars. Only out of 9 boxes, only pulled one of this Brian Barnes, just one card. So I like to do that too to kind of give me an idea of, you know, what I pull a lot of and what I hardly pull any of. Here's the draft picks. These are pretty good at giving you the same amount, usually anywhere from 7 to 6 cards on 8 boxes. And here's the record breakers. Some Hall of Famers in here. Got Ryan, Ripken, Brett, Kevin Mass, Carlton Fisk, Bobby Thigpen. So I'll pull the Hall of Famers, or Stamberg. I'll pull the Hall of Famers out of here and you know, sleeve them and throw them in the 5,000 count boxes with the other cards I have of them. Everything's in order, and then of course, like the Thigpen and all that, they just get, you know, organized with these, so I know where they are. Here's all the All-Star cards. Got a pretty big stack of these. Haven't pulled out the Hall of Famers in here yet, but you can see these cards. You know, these boxes were really taken care of. The guy I buy them off of, he has a lot of cases, and you know, he gives them to me for $5 a box. You know, so to me that's a steal. So, you know, it's cheap entertainment. Pull some nice Hall of Famers, and the boxes are taken care of. You're not getting, you know, boxes that smell like mildew, and I mean, God, I think I've received it all. You know, so these are just star cards. Sosa, Mattingly, Clemens, one of my favorite cards from this set. McGuire and Jose and Mitchell. Only 3 Mitchells. And then we have the Hall of Famers. So there's a stack. And here's another stack. So Nolan Ryan, Randy Johnson, Paul Molitor, Larkin, you know, just all the Hall of Famers. You know, I mentioned I'm going to be sending some cards in to get graded, so probably definitely pull from these. I mean, these cards are, you know, pretty crisp. Boom, that's a 10 right there. No, I'm just kidding. All right, and these are the cards that I chase when I open up 91. Here's Chipper. Got 3 of these. Griffey. I believe I got 5 of these, no 6. I was happy with that. Here's Griffey All-Star, 4 of those. Definitely happy. It was definitely Griffey loaded in Thomas's second year. All of these, I pretty much, there's like a little, you get to see it? Let me see. Like a little fisheye right there. And they all have it. So, those will just go with the, you know, put with the other Thomases I have. So yeah, this is pretty much what 9 boxes get you. All these commons. Gonna be breaking those open. Boom, got my living set in today. Gonna open those up and file them. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Alright everyone, wanted to share that with you. If you like this video, please subscribe. I tried to rip open the boxes to keep it short and sweet. Hit the like button, and I'll see you all next video. Let's keep the hobby alive.